Hi, this is Michael. In this video, I'll be teaching you two methods of installing WordPress themes. One is to install WordPress themes through your WordPress dashboard.
Log into your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance and click on Themes. Click on Add New Theme. So you can choose any theme here and click on it. Click on Install. Click on Activate. You successfully installed the WordPress theme, but you can also download it from the owner's website and upload it using this Upload Theme option at the upper part. Here you can choose the file and then click on Install Now.
Dashboard. Two is to install WordPress themes from your cPanel or Direct Admin.
Now log into your cPanel or Direct Admin. Here we'll be using the File Manager. Look for the File Manager. Click on File Manager. Click on Public HTML. Next, click on WP Content. Click on Themes. Check at the upper part, you see a three dots. Click on it and click on Upload Files. Drag in the theme file here. Click on Upload. So we've successfully installed the WordPress theme.
Please follow me for more.